Okay, YouTube, now I'm going to be showing you guys how to install RAM into your motherboard. It is very simple, and you should do this outside of your computer case because of the pressure it puts on the standoffs and the motherboard. So here is my DIMM. I slip it out, it's got the heatsink and stuff on it, so I do not have to worry about anything with static. If you want to do dual channel, you're going to want to put in the color coordinated sockets or whatever. And I'm going to slip this in here. Normally there's 2 pins on the sides. This motherboard does not have that because as you see, this slides back and forth. This side does not, so it just goes straight down. It only has 1 pin. Just do it until it clicks in. I usually use 2 hands, but I don't think you should, personally. Let me open up this one. And here is the other DIMM. And it's as simple as that. Now I have dual channel RAM, and we'll be back with the installation of the CPU.